Margaritas we can also play with. We have a couple of easy variations. Again, still sticking to those basic rules behind margaritas. Tequila, an orange flavored liqueur, and lime juice. So I'm gonna do 2 variations on it. Double rocks glasses. Let's go and throw some salt rims on them right away. Nice little lime on top. Salt rim on each of these glasses. There we go. I can now make up both of my margaritas side by side. Half a glass of ice. Half a glass of ice. I'm going to do a blue margarita and a golden margarita, also known as a Cadillac margarita. So in each of these, 1.5 ounces of tequila, 1.5 ounces, 1.5 ounces. Blue margarita, you can imagine, is going to have 1/2 ounce of our orange flavored liqueur, which is blue curacao in this case. So 1/2 ounce of our blue, 1/2 ounce of Grand Marnier going into our Cadillac or our golden margarita. So 1/2 ounce going in there. Both your Grand Marnier, very sweet, your blue curacao, very sweet, so that's the sweet component going in here. Lime, we need to go into each of these, so 1 ounce of lime. Very limey. Margaritas are fantastic cocktails. You need to have one, or many. So shake them up. So shake it on up. Pour your contents in, and we end up having a blue margarita. Let's take this golden margarita. Golden margarita. We're then going to go and add some limes onto each of these. Maybe a couple extra cubes of ice just to go and top that drink up a little. If your liquid levels are ever coming low, add ice to the drink, never add more mix. So golden margarita, now with Grand Marnier. Blue margarita with blue curacao.
Start Bartending is an online course covering everything you need to know to confidently begin as a bartender. We will teach you how to make more money by making your customers happy with premium cocktails, efficient drink building techniques, and product knowledge. Go to startbartending.com to sign up for the course that can change your career and create new opportunities for you.